Hello guys, welcome to Romjo Hacks YouTube channel. And today we are going to see how you can assign a specific MAC address to your machine or into your parrot or into any Linux distribution using a Macchanger. And the moment we talk of a MAC address is basically a string of usually 6 set of 2-digit. 6 set of 2 digits. So the first thing is, first of all, you have to craft the MAC address which you are going to assign into your machine or into your Linux. Then after that, now it's when now we go ahead and use an option which specifies the particular MAC address which you are going to use. So first of all, you need to check the interface which you are using at that moment. So that now after that, the steps are just the same. You need first of all to power off your interface, and for you to power off your interface, you type ifconfig hit 0 down. So your interface, or your powered off your interface, and you're going to be disconnected until you're going to be disconnected from internet until, or from network until you power on your interface. So now we can change our MAC address, and for us to assign our machine a specific MAC address, we need this option, Macchanger -. We need this option -m. We need to use this option -m. So for you to, so it's Macchanger -mac is equals to. I'm going to use a MAC address which I've created this moment, and the MAC address is 00. Remember, MAC address is a is a string of 6 set of 2 digits, 6 set of 2 digits, each separated by a full colon, So this is my MAC address which I've settled for. Then after that, you need to type the interface. If 0, you need to type the interface, just if 0, then you enter. So you'll be assigned the interface or the MAC address which you have specified right there, and that is the reason as to why you can see that is the new MAC address which have been assigned. You can also confirm by typing ifconfig and you enter. And also, so before that, you need also to power on. To change the MAC address, you need to power on your interface by typing ifconfig hub, ifconfig is 0 hub, so that you may be connected back to the internet or to the network. So now we can check. So the moment you check, you realize that you are using the MAC address which you have just assigned. So let me show you another option here which you can always use before you change or you settle for a specific MAC address, and the option is -s, not -s. The option is -l. The option is -l, print non-vendors. So what that means, let me just type Macchanger and then enter. So what happens in a MAC address? The first 3 octets, they identify the manufacturer of a particular device. What happens with MAC addresses are assigned or are embedded into your network interface card, and the first 3 octets, that is the reason as to why you can see here we have some different octets identifying or representing different vendors. We have, and though these are known by the Macchanger. So you can decide to check one of them and then use. What that means, the first three octets here identifies the manufacturer of a particular device or a particular system. So after you check, you can decide to use any. You can decide to use any. That is the reason as to why if I check the current MAC address here, -s 0, what I'm getting is that this MAC address is unknown. It's unknown because what happens, my Macchanger, it doesn't have information related to the first three octets. The first three octets which identify the manufacturer. And that is the reason as to why there we have unknown. That is the reason as to why we have unknown. So by doing also, or by doing all that, is basically you're trying to hide yourself, trying to stay anonymous, because the moment you are connected to internet, your MAC address matters a lot because of something called address resolution protocol, which sometimes converts this MAC address into IP addresses. And remember, your IP address is the one which sends the packets. You can't send a packet, you can't be connected to internet without an IP address. So if somebody was to trace you, you'll start with the ISP and then the IP address which was used, and plus the MAC address. So you see how important it is to change your MAC address. How important it is to change your MAC address, and it can help you to stay anonymous. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share the video